One thing that people talk about a lot with my work is some sort of urbanity or some sense of the city. And I'm always like, no, I don't see that. And then I look out my window, and that's exactly what I see. So, in my studio, so they can't be that wrong. I believe that people should view my paintings the way they want to view them. That's sort of the nature of abstraction. Spray paint, I liked it because it was a ready-made gesture. You know, you have this mechanic object and a spray can, and it emits a certain kind of mark that is very mechanical. It's devoid of human touch. To put the paint on the canvas, you don't even touch the canvas, which is loaded with so many psychological and philosophical implications that, you know, I don't touch it to make it. For me, it has less emotion than sort of a brushy kind of painting that is the trademark of abstract expressionism. But it's still full of the energy and dynamism. In fact, it has lots of potential for chance and error, which creates interesting problems. Yellow is a color that I've been working with for a while now. I like the acidity, I like the brightness, I love how close to, it's just purest color I can grapple with. All these paintings are painted on a layer of silver. It comes from notions of glam. I love all the associations of silver. There's glam rock, there's science fiction, like flying saucers, there's aluminum, it's a color that has such specific connotations. There's silver, the high classness of silver, the industrial qualities of steel and aluminum, the glamness of sparkle. I hope all of that is in my paintings. I use palette knives a lot. And I like the idea, like it comes back to me like this sort of workman idea of painting, like anyone can do it. It's like painting a fence. I like the idea of like applying paint as straightforwardly as possible. Because so much of like high-class painting is about blending or making things not seem to be what they are exactly. I want my paint application to be as clear and honest as possible.